Our history is not what it seems. Let's take a walk down the path less traveled, a journey that takes us back an incredible 350,000 years. Picture, if you will, a race of beings, not from our world, but from the far reaches of the cosmos. These were no ordinary extraterrestrials, they were giants standing 6 to 8 meters tall, with 2 rows of teeth and 6 fingers on each hand and foot. Their genetic makeup was unique, robust and resilient, allowing them to live for a staggering 150,000 years. They were humanoid in form, but their biology was adapted to a higher ionized environment, with a thicker atmosphere and higher pressure than we are accustomed to on Earth. These otherworldly beings had a purpose for venturing to our blue planet. They were miners, but they weren't mining for coal or diamonds. Their treasure was gold. But not just any gold. They sought monoatomic gold, a substance that, when laid subcellularly over cells, improved neuronal connectivity. This enhancement led to better thinking, efficient theoretical thoughts about the future or past, the ability to detect lies, and an overall increase in intelligence. But these giants didn't dirty their hands with the toil of mining. Instead, they created a workforce from the very fabric of life itself. They engineered a new species, designed to serve their needs. This species was us, humans. In our earliest form, we were small, standing at only about 1.2 meters tall, and our lifespan was a mere 100 years. We were created to serve, to mine the gold that our creators so desired. We were not the only creation of these alien beings though. They enriched our world with thousands of different species, the first of which were African blacks, followed by Asians, blondes, Nordics, Redskins, Australians, and Indo-German Arabs, Hebrews who mixed with Homo sapiens. And so, humans were born, not as free beings, but as slaves to their alien creators. Opening. The evolution of humankind is a tapestry woven with threads of alien intervention. Our story starts 350,000 years ago when extraterrestrial giants with lifespans of 150,000 years created the first humans. These beings, towering at 6 to 8 meters tall, were humanoid in appearance, with 2 rows of teeth and 6 fingers on each hand and foot. They were here to mine for monoatomic gold, a substance that enhanced health and longevity, and they created humans to be their workforce. The initial humans were approximately 1.20 meters tall and lived for 100 years. They were the product of thousands of different alien species, each contributing to the diverse tapestry of humankind. The first were African blacks, followed by Asians, blondes, Nordics, Redskins, Australians, and Indo-German Arabs, Hebrews, who mixed with Homo sapiens. Fast forward to 48,000 years ago, a monumental shift occurred in human evolution. Mankind gained an additional chromosome pair, evolving into Homo sapiens sapiens, and started living autonomously. Lifespans skyrocketed to 1,000 years, and heights reached up to 2 meters. This new hybrid race had access to alien technology, such as the ability to melt stone, levitation, anti-gravitation, and an advanced understanding of matter. These advancements led to the construction of megalith structures like temples and pyramids worldwide, built at points where ley lines crossed symmetrically, and where the geology was optimal. These sites utilized aquifers and other elements for piezoelectricity, embedding sacred knowledge within their very stones. The Giza pyramids, built 38,500 years ago in a then tropical climate, stand as a testament to this advanced civilization. The precession of the Earth's wandering axis, a cycle occurring every 25,920 years, guided their construction. And thus, with their newfound autonomy and advanced knowledge, humans began to build civilizations. The rise and fall of great civilizations have been punctuated by cosmic events beyond human control. So let's dive deep into the annals of history, where the Giza pyramids stand tall as a testament to our extraterrestrial heritage. These megalithic structures, built around 38,500 years ago, were a marvel of alien technology and human labor, constructed in a then tropical climate. Before the pyramids, another civilization thrived, Lemuria. However, with the Earth's shifting poles, Lemuria fell into oblivion. The pole shifts, a cosmic event occurring every 12,610 years, marked the beginning of the end. The shifting equator was mapped by megalith structures, marking the devastating consequences of old pole shifts. Next came Atlantis, a civilization advanced beyond its time, flourishing with knowledge and technology. However, it too fell victim to a pole shift, around 12,500 years ago. The result? A great flood that wiped Atlantis off the face of the earth. This cataclysmic event sent shockwaves through humanity. The world was depopulated, and the once thriving civilizations were reduced to mere shadows of their former grandeur. The destruction of Atlantis led to a period of cultural and civilizational degeneration that lasted nearly 5,000 years. The knowledge, wisdom, and advanced technology that had once been the hallmark of these great civilizations were lost, leaving mankind in a state of ignorance and confusion. The world was plunged into a dark age, with civilizations degenerating further 7,000 years after the flood. But it wasn't just the pole shifts and floods that were responsible for this downfall. Malevolent aliens played their part too, altering humans to have only 10% of their original lifespan and separating brain functions. This shift led to shorter lifespans with each generation, further contributing to the ignorance and confusion. And so, the fall of great civilizations is a tale of cosmic events and alien interventions, of grandeur lost and knowledge forgotten. A great flood washed away the wisdom of the ancients, leaving mankind in a state of ignorance and confusion. Out of the ashes of the old, new civilizations rose, guided by the unseen hands of the gods. As if emerging from a chrysalis of chaos and obscurity, new civilizations blossomed in the cradle of South America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. These cultures, though geographically distant, bore uncanny similarities. Their languages echoed the same tones, their scripts etched the same symbols, and their knowledge reflected the same wisdom. It was as if an invisible thread wove them together, a shared genesis that transcended the bounds of time and space. But who spun this thread? Who guided these civilizations from the shadows? Who were these gods that they worshipped? In a twist more chilling than any tale of fiction, it was not divine beings who shaped our ancestors but malevolent aliens. They altered the very fabric of our being, reducing our lifespan to a mere tenth of its original length. They severed the connections within our brains, creating a chasm between our thoughts and actions. Our lives, once vibrant tapestries of 1,000 years, were reduced to fleeting sparks in the cosmic dark. Yet, despite this meddling, one thing remained constant: our societal structure. From the fertile plains of Sumer to the grandeur of Egypt, from the philosophical marvels of Greece to the mighty empire of Rome, and even through the tumultuous waves of the medieval age, the hierarchy persisted. At the apex, the god or king, the ruler of all; beneath them the priests or religion, the moral compass; and at the bottom the citizens or slaves, the backbone of the society. Today the faces have changed, but the structure remains the same. Parliament and administration have replaced the god or king. TV and news have taken the place of priests or religion. And we, the citizens, are still the slaves, bound by the chains of societal expectations and norms. What if we are not alone? What if the gods who guided us were not divine but extraterrestrial?